Question number 251. Point out the incorrect answer. The requisites of a valid warrant are: option A, it shall be in writing; option B, it shall be signed by presiding officer of the court; option C, it shall bear the seal of the court; and option D, it must state the name of the accused but address it not necessary. Here correct answer is option D. This is incorrect. All the other options A, B and C are correct. Question number 252. An arrest warrant in a criminal case shall be signed by CJM, head of the office, presiding officer of the court, authorized officer. Here correct answer is option C, that is presiding officer of the court. Question number 253. Every warrant issued under section 70 of CrPC 1973 shall remain in force. Option A, until it is cancelled by the court which issued it; B, until it is executed; either A or B, none of the above. Here correct answer is option C, either A or B. Until it is cancelled by the court which issued it, and option B, until it is executed. Question number 254. When a court issues a warrant for the arrest of a suspected person, it must ensure: option A, the number of the sureties; B, the amount in which the sureties are bound; C, the time and the date at which the accused person is required to attend the court; and option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 255. How long a warrant of arrest shall remain in force? Option A, 6 years, 10 years, 12 years, until executed or cancelled. Correct answer is option D, until executed or cancelled, a warrant of arrest shall remain in force. Question number 256. Which of the following statement is not true? Option A, a warrant of arrest may be executed at any place in India. A warrant of arrest may be directed to more than one police officer. Option C, a warrant directed to any police officer cannot be executed by or any other police officer under section 74 of the CrPC. Option D, a warrant of arrest shall remain in force until it is cancelled or until it is executed. Here correct answer is option C. This is not true. Question number 257. A warrant directed to any police officer may be executed. Option A, by the officer whom it is directed; by a police officer whose name is endorsed upon the warrant; by the officer to whom it is directed or endorsed; either A or B; and option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, either A or B. Question number 258. As provided by section 75 of CrPC, the police officer or other person executing a warrant of arrest is required to: option A, notify the substance thereof to the persons to be arrested; B, show the warrant to the person to be arrested if so required; C, give in a copy of the warrant to the person to be arrested; and option D, both A and B. Here current answer is both A and B. Question number 259. The police officer shall bring an arrested person before the court without any delay. This is the mandate of section 76, section 77, section 78, section 79. Here correct answer is option A, that is section 76. Question number 260. Under section 77 of CrPC, a warrant of arrest may be executed within the local jurisdiction of the court issuing warrant, within the session division, at any place within the state, at any place in India. Here correct answer is option D, that is at any place in India. Question number 261. When a warrant is to be executed outside the local jurisdiction of the court issuing it, such court may forward it to executive magistrate in whose jurisdiction it is to be executed, distinct superintendent of police in whose jurisdiction it is to be executed, commissioner of police in whose jurisdiction it is to be executed, and any of these. Here correct answer is option D, that is any of these. Question number 262. When warrant also cannot be executed at a court may proceed under. Correct answer is option B, that is section 82 and 83 of CrPC. Question number 263. Which of the following sections of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 deals with the proclamation of persons absconding? Option A, section 83, option B, section 80, option C, section 81, and option D, section 82. Here correct answer is option D, that is section 82. Question number 264. Which one of the following group of sections of CrPC deals with the proclamation and attachment? Here correct answer is option D, that is section 80 to 81. Question number 265. Under which section of CrPC a proclamation for person absconding may be issued? Option A, section 83, option B, section 82, option C, section 81, and option D, section 80. Here correct answer is option B, that is section 82. Question number 266. If any court has reason to believe that any person against whom a warrant has been issued by it has absconded so that such warrant cannot be executed, such court may publish a written proclamation requiring him to appear at a specified place at a specified time, not less than dash from the date of publishing of such proclamation. Correct answer is option B, that is 30 days from the day of publishing from such proclamation. Question number 267. Period of appearance for proclamation is issued under section 82 of CrPC is not less than: option A 15 days, option B 30 days, option C 60 days, and option D 90 days. Here correct answer is option B, 30 days. Question number 268. A valid proclamation under section 82 of CrPC 1973 requires: option A, public reading of the proclamation in a conspicuous place of town or village where the accused ordinarily resides. Option B. Copy of the proclamation should be affixed at some conspicuous place of the house in which the victim resides. Option C. If passed by the session judge, a copy of the proclamation should be affixed to some conspicuous part of the High Court or of the state. And option D. Copy of the proclamation is affixed on conspicuous part of all police station in the town, village where the crime was committed. And here the correct answer is option A. Public reading of the proclamation in a conspicuous place of town or village where the accused ordinarily resides. Question number 269. A proclamation under section 82 of CrPC can be issued against a person whom a warrant has been issued. Thus a proclamation can be issued against accused offender. Question number 270. How is a proclamation under section 82 of the CrPC published? Option A. It shall be publicly read in some conspicuous place of the town or village in which such person ordinarily resides. Option B. It shall be affixed to some conspicuous part of the house or homestead in which such person ordinarily resides or to some conspicuous place of such town or village. Option C. A copy thereof shall be affixed to some conspicuous part of the courthouse. And option D. All of the above. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 271. If a proclaimed person appears within the time specified in the proclamation, the court may make an order releasing the property from the attachment. Court shall make an order releasing the property from the attachment. Court may or may not make an order releasing the property from the attachment according to its discretion. Option D, none of the above. Here correct answer is option B. Court shall make an order releasing the property from the attachment. Question number 272. Penalty for non-appearance in a case where a declaration has been made under section 82 clause 4 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, a pronouncing person as a proclaimed offender is provided in option A, section 175A of IPC, section 174A of IPC, section 173A of IPC, section 172A of IPC. Here correct answer is option B, that is section 174A of IPC. Question number 273. Under which section of CrPC a person who is avoiding execution of a warrant may be proclaimed absconder? Option A, section 81, option B, section 83, option C, section 82, and option D, section 84. Here correct answer is option C, that is section 82. Question number 274. In case of a suspect concealing himself to avoid arrest, the court can issue an order of attachment, an order of proclamation, an order of publication of warrant, and option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option B, that is an order of proclamation. Question number 275. A warrant of arrest and a proclamation under section 82 of CrPC were issued simultaneously, and later a consequential order of attachment under section 83 was also issued. What is the legality of these orders? All the orders are perfectly legal. The order under section 82 is legal, but the order under section 83 is not legal. The order under section 82 is illegal and improper, vitiating the consequential order of attachment, and option D, none of the above. Here correct answer is option C, that is the order under section 82 is illegal and improper, vitiating the consequential orders of attachment. Question number 276. Under which section of CrPC an order from attachment of property of person absconding may be passed at any time after the issue of proclamation? Here correct answer is option A, that is section 83. Question number 277. Under section 83 clause 1 of CrPC, the court may order option A, proclamation for the person absconding before the attaching property, B, attachment of property person absconding after proclamation, C, proclamation and attachment simultaneously, and option D, proclamation and attachment by separate order. Here correct answer is option B, attachment of property of person absconding after proclamation. Question number 278. Attachment of property of the person absconding can be option A, issued after publication of the proclamation, issued before the publication of the proclamation, C, issued simultaneously with the issue of the proclamation, and option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option C, that is issued simultaneously with the issue of proclamation. Question number 279. The property attached under section 83 of the CrPC shall not be sold until the expiration of dash from the date of the attachment. Here correct answer is 6 months from the date of the attachment. Question number 280. In order to compel appearance of a person who is absconding in spite of a warrant of arrest being issued against him, his property may be ordered to be attached simultaneously with issuance of a proclamation under section 82 of the CrPC, provided that the court is satisfied that such person is option A, about to dispose the whole or any part of his property, B, about to remove the whole or any part of the property from the local jurisdiction of the court, C, either condition in A or B exist, D, condition in A and B coexist. Here correct answer is option C, that is either condition in A or B exist. Question number 281. Claims and objections to attachment of properties provided under which of the following sections of CrPC? Correct answer is option A, that is section 84 of CrPC. Question number 282. What is the time limit prescribed within which claims and objections to attachment can be made under CrPC? Option A, 6 months, B, 60 days, C, 1 year, and D, 3 years. Here correct answer is option A, that is 6 months. Question number 283. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property of the sale proceed on appearance within 6 months of the attachment, 2 years of attachment, 3 years of attachment, 1 year of attachment. Correct answer is option B, that is 2 years of attachment. Question number 284. Attachment of land paying revenue to the state government of a person absconding shall be by taking possession, by appointing a receiver, through collector of the district where the land is situated, by any other means deemed fit. Here correct answer is option C, through collector of the district where the land is situated. Question number 285. When an irregularity caused by a competent magistrate in doing one of the following works would make the proceedings void under CrPC. Option A, to issue search warrant under section 94, to order under section 155 police to investigate an offence, attaches and sells property under section 83, to tender pardon under section 306 to an accomplice for the purpose of obtaining evidence. Here correct answer is option C, attaches and sells property under section 83. Question number 286. Under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the court is empowered to summon any person as a witness only at the stage of inquiry or trial, only at the stage of the trial, only at the stage of inquiry or other proceedings, only at the stage of inquiry, trial or other proceedings. Here correct answer is option D, only at the stage of inquiry, trial or other proceedings. Question number 287. What does the expression transit remand denote? Option A, it is a transfer of a prisoner from one jail to another. Option B, it is a transfer of criminal case from one court to another. C, it is taking out of an accused by police from one state to another. And option D, it is taking out the accused from court to prison. Here correct answer is option C, that is it is taking out of an accused from police from one state to another state. Question number 288. Issue of warrant in lieu of or in addition to summons is provided in section dash of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Correct answer is section 87 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Question number 289. Which of the following section of CrPC provides for the arrest on breach of bond for appearance? Correct answer is option A, that is section 89 of CrPC. Question number 290. Chapter 7 of CrPC deals with option A, preventive action of the police, option B, process to compel the production of things, C, process to compel appearance, D, security for keeping the peace and for good behavior. Chapter 7 of CrPC deals with process to compel the production of things. Question number 291. Under which from the following section of CrPC summons to produce documents may be issued to the person in whose possession they are? Correct answer is option D, that is section 91. Question number 292. Section 91 of the CrPC does not apply to. Correct answer is accused. Question number 293. A person who is required merely to produce a document thing under section 91 of CrPC either attend personally or cause the documents thing produced in the court. C is the correct answer. Question number 294. The principle that the accused cannot at any stage of framing charge invoke section 91 was laid down in. Here correct answer is option A, that is State of Orissa versus Devendranath Padi. Question number 295. Section 92 of CrPC lays down the procedure for production of documents in the custody of Postal or Telegraph Authority. A is the correct answer. Question number 296. Who can issue search warrant for document of thing? Option A, any court. Option B, police superintendent. Option C, magistrate of first class only. And option D, session court only. Here correct answer is option A, that is any court. Question number 297. Who is authorized under CrPC to grant warrant to search for a document, parcel or other thing in the custody of the Postal or Telegraph Authority? Here correct answer is District Magistrate and Chief Judicial Magistrate. Therefore option C will be the correct answer, both A and B. Question number 298. Under which section of CrPC a search warrant is issued? Correct answer is section 93. Under section 93 a search warrant is issued. Question number 299. A court may issue a search warrant where such a document is not known to the court to be in possession of any person, where the court considers that the purpose of any inquiry, trial or other proceedings will be served by the general search of inspection. Option C, where the court has reason to believe that a person upon requisition will not or would not produce a document or thing. And option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 300. Where the court has no knowledge about the document or thing to be in possession of any person, whether the court can issue search warrant in such condition? Here correct answer is option C, that is yes, court can issue search warrant in such conditions.